Okay, we've got our breakdown of minutes table created inside our text box. So now we're going to add the values that we've saved into our array variables into this table here. So I'm going to find the table icon over here in the logic tree and click on the before first occurrence insert object here, and I'm going to initialize our data point counter to 0 just like we did before. There's data point counter. I'll say initialize to 0, and I'll set it as a constant integer of 0, and there we go. Now in the table detail, insert object here, I'm going to increment it just like we did before. So I go to insert, set variable, data point counter, and I'll call this increment data point counter, and I'm going to add 1 to data point counter and put it right back in there, just like we did before. So every time we loop through the table detail loop, we'll add 1 to the data point counter and get the next value in our arrays. Now I'll click over here in the first cell, row 1, and select Insert Field Variable. I'm going to choose the service type variable, and in the index, I'll choose the variable data point counter. Okay, okay, and there we go. Notice I'm getting 3 different values. I'll click on the second cell, row 1, do the same thing, insert field variable, select Jan data, use my index variable, data point counter, hit OK, OK, and there we go. And go ahead and do the same thing for February and March. Select the whole table and set your font to Arial 12.